नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया। सब्सक्राइब करें लोक टॉक्स चैनल को प्रोफेशनल मेडिकल गाइडेंस के लिए, स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मेडिटेशन के लिए एंड लाइफ कोचिंग सेशंस के लिए। यह है मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर, आप कभी भी संपर्क कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। नमस्कार साथियों, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया स्वागत करता हूं आपको लोक टॉक्स चैनल पर। साथियों, आज 20 अक्टूबर है और वर्ल्ड ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस डे के रूप में आज की तारीख जानी जाती है। पिछले वर्ष मैंने आज के दिन एक वीडियो जारी किया था और वो हिंदी में था, तो इसके बाद मैं आज वाला वीडियो इंग्लिश में जारी कर रहा हूँ। सो ऑल माय डियर व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू लोक टॉक्स। टुडे आई विल बी टॉकिंग टू यू ऑन osteoporosis. What is osteoporosis? When the density of bone gets reduced, the mineralization is lost. That is situation. When we see a radiographic picture on the X-ray is called as osteopenia, when the bone content seen is much lesser, and when the porosity of the bone gets increased. To understand the porosity, about porosity is something like it becomes like potato wafers, right? Potato wafers looks like hard, but with little force it will break. So that situation is called osteoporosis, and incidentally this is one such situation which everybody is going to have it, as it is one of the aging process. Now, how to protect ourselves from such an aging process? By keeping ourselves active, physically active. I have made so many videos to motivate everybody to be physically active. Do regular general body exercises, do daily Surya Namaskar, daily one should be doing it, do Yogasana, and walk at least 5 to 7 kilometers every day. This is the best one can do to protect oneself from the consequences of osteoporosis. What can be the consequence of osteoporosis? The fragility factors, the fractures which develops very trivial force, and the fracture can happen. So this is very important to understand that the bone strength has to be worked out every day. There is no shortcut to it. So keeping yourself physically active, not to smoke, not to take alcohol, and eating very healthy diet in terms of high protein diet, in terms of good amount of calcium containing diet like sesame seeds and fruits like guava, fresh leafy vegetables, all which having high mineral content, high content of vitamin D, high content of calcium containing foods one should be taking regularly. So this is very important to protect oneself from developing fragility fractures, because the bones become so fragile, it fractures very easily. Just with very small trivial force the bone gives way, and that has to be worked out every day on day-to-day basis. Only the prevention is the best way, particularly in postmenopausal women. Alright, because the estrogen deficiency starts deteriorating the quality of bone very fast. So one has to be very much aware about all these days. Like there was World Heart Day, recently World Mental Health Day, now today is World Osteoporosis Day. All these days are to be celebrated to raise the awareness about that particular problem, right? So I hope things are, what investigation one can get it done, as there are no symptoms, absolutely no symptoms one can have for osteoporosis. What if one wants to get it checked after 45-50 years of age, one can get DEXA scan done. DEXA scan, if it suggests that one has osteoporosis, then it can be managed nowadays by taking bisphosphonates. Bisphosphonates, the commonest bisphosphonates medication which we use is called Fosamax, or the only limitations with that is that it has to be take 70 milligrams dose is to be taken once in a week, or daily. If one has to take it, then 10 milligrams daily consumption is required. Why we prefer weekly is that there are certain limiting factors, certain limitations are there, that one should not be sleeping, one should not lie down after taking it. 45 minutes at least one should be awake and prefer to walk around after taking it. And the most important thing is that one should take plenty of water and take it empty stomach. So that is very much important. Calcium supplementations may be required. Vitamin D supplements should be taken at least 3 months in a year. One must have seen, I have many videos on my channel on vitamin D. Calcium as such is supposed to get absorbed. If you have no malabsorption problems in your body, then definitely the calcium should get absorbed if your vitamin D levels are adequate in your body. So vitamin D levels should be measured once in a year. Take at least 3 to 4 months in a year vitamin D. Make sure that you are walking 5 to 7 kilometers every day, keeping yourself physically active. Make sure that you are definitely not leading too sedentary lifestyle, not sitting for hours together, and make sure that your lifestyle habits are favoring your bone conditions. Your bone strength is very, very important, as it is going to deteriorate. The maximum bone mass one attains is by 20-25 years of age. That is why one must encourage all the youngsters. By 20-25 years of age, they are going to attain maximum bone mass. The maximum amount of exercises one has been doing by that age, with that bone mass, one has to live till last breath in their life. So as the bone formation and bone destruction process gets disbalanced, the lesser formation happens and more destructive process keeps going. There is definitely an imbalance between osteoblasts and osteoclasts. Well, I will not take too much of this talk in medical jargon. Definitely, I want you to be aware about this particular problem, that you need to not only look after other things, but definitely think about your osteoporosis too. Right? Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care. All the best.